Question 1. Which of these times is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock equal to 150 degrees? There are 360 degrees in a circle. I want to know what each of these angles are here. I do that because there are 12 equal slices of this pizza, say, 12 equal bits, slices. Then we've got 30 degrees between each number on the clock. So therefore, sometimes we've got questions where there are 4 answers and 5 answers, and we need to check them all. We need to check them to find out which ones are correct. And this is one of those questions. So these are the letters, these are the answers. So between the hands on 9 p.m, what we're looking at is the hand up here and the hand here. So big hand here, small hand here. There are 3 sections. So what I do is I would say 3 multiplied by 30. I'll show you that again. 8 would be here. And you're asked for which of these times is equal to 150, and that is this one here. So the answer is D.